Hello, I'm Sage from Kalkine. Welcome to our latest news bulletin for the Australian mid-market review. ASX shares retreat slightly at noon. US markets closed marginally lower overnight. In the weeks ahead, big tech companies will release earnings. Joe Biden-led government will also progress with the $1.9 trillion spending plan, which requires a bill to be passed in the lower house. After the bill is passed in the House of Representatives, the task will be to convince Republican senators to accept the spending intentions of the new administration. US Labor Department also reported that 90,000 people applied for unemployment benefits in the week ended 16th January 2020. In December, the jobless rate in the US was 6.7%. Russia's Sputnik V received approval for emergency use in Hungary and United Arab Emirates. Hungary will be the first country to import Sputnik V from Russia, while the European Union drug regulator is yet to approve the vaccine. In market news, the Aussie benchmark index ASX 200 is trading slightly in the red from its last close. Sectors that are in the green at current levels included healthcare, consumer discretionary, telecommunications services and consumer staples, while sectors pulling ASX 200 to red territory included information technology, energy, financials, utilities, materials and industrials. Lynas Rare Earths was top gainer in the 200 pack. The company announced investment of $30 million in Texas, USA for a rare earth plant and signed agreement with US Department of Defense. The Texas plant will ensure domestic supply of rare earths in the US. Fisher & Paykel Healthcare was the second largest gainer after the company announced to exceed guidance provided in November. Coca-Cola Amatil said trading performance was strong in the last quarter, but it anticipates earnings to fall by around 14%. The company expects to report nearly 14% fall in full-year earnings before interest and tax. Fortescue Metals Group reported that net profit for the period ended December 2020 is expected between $4 billion and $4.1 billion. The company also reported its plans of producing zero emissions energy. Spirit Technology announced that December quarter sales were up 338% over the same period last year. It is expecting half-year EBITDA to be in the range of $4.1 million to $4.3 million. NRW Holdings also announced that it secured contracts worth $80 million from Fortescue Metals Group. Stock witnessing large falls in the top 200 pack included Unibail, Rodamco, Westfield, Afterpay Limited, Washington H. Sol, Zipco Limited, Perpetual Limited, and exclusively the latest news on Google versus Australia saga continues. Google Australia has pitched to take off its Australia search engine. The move comes as the company continues to protest against Digital Media Code, which seeks payments to media companies for providing their content. It'll be interesting to see how this pans out in coming weeks. Thank you for watching. This is Sage for Kalkine.